How to manually create checkout links in Shopify. Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. I hope you all are doing great and are having an amazing and absolutely incredible day. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can go ahead and manually create checkout links from your Shopify. So for this, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be using an application called Stripe, okay? Now, most of you out there are, well bounded in common with Stripe. Most of you know what it is. So let's go ahead and talk about it. So what you're going to do is you're going to sign up with Stripe. And once you do, you're going to sign in with your basic Stripe account. Now, once you sign in with your basic Stripe account, from there, you're going to go to your testing dashboard. Okay. You're going to go to your main dashboard where it's going to give you different options. So you're going to go to the payments option. And once we go to the payments option, what's going to happen from there, it's going to say share a link to a checkout page. So this is what we are going to go with. So, this is a manual link. So you're going to go with this. And once you go with that, you're going to obviously create, a test product to generate a link. And we're going to click on create link. Now, once you create a link, it's going to give you a link over here. It also gives you different embedded stuff you can get. But I'm going to go with this. I'm going to copy this link. You're going to come here. You're going to go into customizing your theme. And whatever your buy now button is or your, checkout button is, you can add this link because when someone enters this link or someone goes to this link, this is what they're going to see. They're going to see the Stripe checkout page where they're going to add their details. And yeah, so that is basically how you can add a manual checkout link in Shopify. Thank you for watching and I'll see all of you next time. Goodbye.